Good morning, students. Welcome. I am science teacher Sanat SM from Eklari High School. Our next topic is sexual reproduction in plants. For example, in hibiscus flower, the parts of flowers are stigma, style, ovary, anther, pedicel, calyx, corolla, etc. Flower is structural unit of sexual reproduction in plants. It consists of four floral whorls as calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, arranged in sequence. Androecium, gynoecium are called essential whorls because they perform the function of reproduction, whereas calyx and corolla are called as accessory whorls because they are responsible for protection of inner whorls. The flower is called bisexual if both the whorls androecium and gynoecium are present in the same flower. For example, hibiscus. A flower is called as unisexual if any one of the above mentioned two whorls is present in the flower. If only androecium is present, it is male flower, and if only gynoecium is present, flower is female flower. For example, papaya. Many flowers have stalk for support called pedicel, and such flowers are called pedicellate, where flower without stalk is called as sessile. Androecium is male whorl and members are called as stamens. Gynoecium is female whorl and membranes are called as carpels. Members of gynoecium are called as carpels. They may be separate or united. Ovary is present at the basal end of each carpel. Hollow style comes up from the ovary. Stigma is present at the tip of style. Ovary contains one or many ovules. Embryo sac is formed in each ovule by meiosis. Each embryo sac consists of a haploid egg cell and two polar nuclei. Now, our next topic is pollination. Definition of this pollination is pollen grains from anther are transferred to the stigma. This is called pollination. There are two types of pollination, that is self-pollination and cross-pollination. When pollination involves only one flower or two flowers born on same plant, it is called as self-pollination. Whereas if it is involves two flowers born on two plants of same species, it is called as cross-pollination. Now, next topic is double fertilization in angiosperm. Pollination occurs with the help of abiotic agents like wind, water, and biotic agents like insect and other animals. Stigma becomes sticky during pollination. The pollen tube carries male gamete. Pollen tube reaches the embryo sac via style. Tip of the pollen tube bursts and two male gametes are released in embryo sac. Here, one male gamete unites with the egg cell to form zygote. This is fertilization. Second male gamete unite with the two polar nuclei and endosperm is formed. As two nuclei participate in this process, so it is called as double fertilization process. In this way, it is carried out. The next definition is seed germination. Ovule develops into seed and ovary into fruit after fertilization. Seeds fall upon the ground when fruits break up and they germinate. Zygote develops at the cost of under food favorable stored conditions. In endosperm of seed and thus a new plantlet is formed. This is called as seed germination. The process of seed germination is shown in figure.